Alright, so there was a lot of questions about how much oil the stove burns, and a couple other things. I just started the stove. I'm going to keep track today of how much oil it's burning. It's currently right around here. I don't feel like filling it all the way to the top, but I'm gonna try to keep it to this level and see how much actually burned a day. We'll give y'all an update every couple hours or something and see how it goes. Also, just to show you the temperature, currently 26 degrees in the shop. It's on the other side of the shop, but yes, there's a lot of shit in here. But we're burning, so. Alright, so in 3 hours, this thing will work. Running about just a little under 700, 680, somewhere in there, 650. It's pretty warm. Not as warm as I'd like it, but it is really cold outside today. We burnt, since 7, we burnt a gallon, and I added another gallon back to it. So we burnt 8 quarts in 3 hours, which is like 2.5 quarts. 2.5 quarts an hour, yeah. It looks like this is like a 30 by 30 shop with a 14-foot ceiling. We've gone from 26 to 40 in 3 hours, so that's not bad, but I'll keep you updated. Well, last update, we're about 60 degrees. We've been running for about 8 hours. I have burnt 4 gallons of oil. We're down about right here right now, and I filled that up twice, so 4 gallons. So it's 2 quarts per hour. That's pretty good. A lot of people in the comments were worried about how hot this pipe was getting, and the fan. The fan's not hot. I can literally hold this pipe right beside the stove. The stove's still, I don't know, 600 or so. It's probably, it's like 300 on the side of the stove there, but I can still hold this pipe in my hand. Like that's not getting hot at all. And it's really cool up here. Fan's really cool. No big deal. So yeah, that's about what it does. 2 quarts per hour. One last thing, if y'all have made it this far, could y'all please like and subscribe? Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers this year, so appreciate all the likes and everything.